And now we're back, and we received the package, which is the Code 32 barcode scanner from Lazada, and again is neatly packaged. And one first impression though about the packaging, it is not too much, but just enough packaging for a barcode scanner, but I expect a colored packaging. So it is a barcode scanner. If you're asking where will I use this, I will use this in developing my mobile POS, which is a point of sale. As you can see, that's the Bluetooth dongle. And as this barcode scanner is also a wireless, and this is also the wired for USB. So you can connect the barcode either by Bluetooth dongle or by USB cable. So it has initially it was set on. Is there any switch up here? Let's try to find the barcode scanner. As based on the weight, it is light enough, and these are these are the manual. Oh, it shut up, so it's auto up. And the booklet has sample barcodes. I think these are the barcode for setting the settings of the barcode scanner. So this is the USB cable. The end of it is a regular USB cable, and the end is for like a printer socket. So let's test the barcode. So it has a red laser as usual for a barcode. I'm currently testing the manual. So these are the barcode for setting the barcode scanner. Based on the manual, you can save a barcode up to 500. I think it's 500, I forget, 500 or a 5,000 lists of barcode, but I don't know where to use that one. So I'm currently setting the barcode scanner, which initially reset the barcode, clear data to clearing data, and to reset. So guys, if you're asking what type of barcode, because there are lots of barcode type on, which is code 32. This barcode scanner is code 32. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, click subscribe. More to come. Click here to play this video.